Namaskar. What makes yogis or sadhak painless and no disturbing effect in samadhi or in meditation? Here, a valuable research is made by the scientist and doctor of All India Institute of Medical Science, which is published in Science Today magazine in June 1975. They found that during this state of samadhi or meditation, the subject means a body became relaxed both physically and mentally, and their body functions are maintained with a lesser expenditure of energy. By recording the electrical potentials of the brain during meditation state by electrons polygraph, that is EEG, that machine showed a frequency of 8 to 12 cycles second, which is called alpha activity. And the three scientists, Anand, Singh and China, found that this alpha activity during meditation is of higher voltage and does not respond to sensory, means sensational activity of body stimulation. In fact, people used to meditation normally showed more prominent alpha activity, even, even when they are not in meditation. This observation seems to support the claim which made by yogis that they are oblivious to their external and internal environment during meditation. This also shows that during meditation the subject means the body did not sleep but remain in awakened state. This is most important. This also shows that during meditation the subject means the body did not sleep but remain in awakened state. The observation of Das and Gaston, on other hand, had reported high voltage fast activity or a slow wave theta activity seen in early sleep state. But these observations have not been confirmed subsequently. In fact, all forms of meditation are accompanied by a alpha activity of brain. Even the pain sensations have no any disturbing effect on the yogis during meditation. And meditation in which the heart is likely to be stopped. At this stage, the beating of heart is about 30 to 35 per minute. According to this research, it clearly seems that the frequency of electromagnetic wave in general medicated people is between 8 to 12 cycles per second and near above, and so it is different when the subject means the body is not in meditation, and it may be different in different people. Thanks. Dhanyavad.